When I build one of my ATEM Mini portable cases, there's a whole load of wiring needed to connect up the power input to the ATEM, the monitor, the power switch and any other accessories that are needed. It's pretty straightforward to just make a simple wiring harness, but it takes time to make it neat and it's hardly plug and play. So this seemed like an ideal small project to design a simple power distribution board as a custom PCB to show just how easy and cost effective PCB design and manufacture is at the moment. You don't need to be designing very complex electronic circuits in order to use a custom PCB. There's so many times when you're building RC models, drones and any other projects when you need to wire up sensors or connectors, and it would be so much easier to have everything mounted on a PCB. And if you use the right tools and services, this is well within the reach and capability of everyone, not just hardware and electronics experts. So I'm going to be using kicad, a free schematic and PCB layout software package to design the PCB, and then I'll get it made by PCBWay. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. I need a PCB to mount a couple of these terminal screw blocks, one for the power input and one to connect this switch to. And I need a fuse with these fuse clips and some DC 5525 connectors. It's all very simple, but it shows how a PCB can be a very tidy solution that doesn't require any complex circuit design. Although all these techniques are equally applicable to any electronic circuit that you might need. kicad is a free schematic and PCB layout app that runs on Windows and Mac. Just download and install it. It's pretty straightforward, and I've put links in the description below to the download links. There's loads of tutorials on using kicad on YouTube, so I won't go into any real detail because this is mainly about how to get your PCBs made. But kicad is a full-featured PCB layout package that's for beginners and experienced users alike, and it's totally free. You basically just draw your circuit out as a schematic and then import it into the PCB layout section and just start laying out the components and the tracks. kicad keeps track of your layout and warns you if you've made a wiring mistake or there's a missing connection. It even has a 3D render of the populated PCB so you can check out component clearances. It's got a very comprehensive symbol or footprint library of components and device packages and has all the features you'd expect, like design rule checking, ground plane generation and so on. But for this project it's a simple single-sided board with a solder resist, silkscreen and 4 mounting holes. Once the PCB layout is complete, then you need to get it manufactured somehow. And this involves generating various files that are used to etch the copper that makes the tracks, drill and make your through holes, print solder resist and silk screen and so on. So there's lots to know and understand. But this is where PCBWay make things fantastically easy. They provide a custom PCB prototype service for small quantities of PCBs with a very fast turnaround, and the price is quite remarkable. As well as PCB prototyping services, they also offer full assembly and testing of all types of PCB of any shape. And if you want any CNC machining or 3D printing, they can do that as well. To get a quote, you need to tell them the size of the PCB, the number of layers and some other stuff. But they make things really easy using a kicad plugin. Use the plugin and content manager to install the PCBWay plugin. And when you click the plugin button, it takes you to the PCBWay website and pre-populates the quote with all the details it needs direct from your PCB design. All you need to do is say how many you want, how quickly you want them and how you'd like them shipped. And if you order more, say 1,000, then the price per board will be less, but the shipping will be higher because it's a heavier package. They support up to 14 layers and you can choose the silkscreen and solder resist colours and so on. There's a whole load of options available to you. But if this is your first simple design, then I'd recommend going with the PCBWay defaults for the material, thickness, copper weight and so on. So for my simple PDB project, 10 boards with a 24-hour turnaround is going to cost a ridiculously cheap $5. Shipping, as you'd expect from China, is not so cheap at $20, but it's still perfectly reasonable. You will need to create a PCBWay account by signing up, and then you just submit the order. This is very quickly reviewed, and if it's approved, you pay the bill and the whole manufacturing process starts. So how effortless is that? And while you're waiting, you can review the progress of your order that shows the percentage complete and what manufacturing stage it's currently at. Drilling, etching, solder mask and so on. There's even a small video that you can watch to explain each process in detail. And after about 5 days, these beauties have arrived. There's nothing quite like a fresh batch of PCBs arriving in a box ready to be assembled. And I'm really impressed with the service PCBWay offer because they just make the whole thing very straightforward. It doesn't matter if you're new to PCB manufacture or you've got some experience, the PCBWay way is rather good, and I'll be using this again for some of my other projects. There's a link to PCBWay in the description below that'll get you $5 discount on your first order. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe for more stuff like this and my other Whirly Bloke projects. And if you've already subscribed, thanks loads, and give this a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.